Hello and welcome to the self-check for a rolling gradebook to make sure your gradebook assignments are set up correctly and are included in all the necessary quarters. So within SIS, hover over gradebook and then click on assignments. And this will show you all the assignments you've added. You can always do the drop down to make it a little bit bigger to show more assignments if you have more than 50 assignments. But right here you can see your assignment title, assign date, assignment type, due date, and then points possible and max score. You can make changes here if you'd like, or you can do it within the individual assignment if you have to make any changes. We're going to focus on grading periods right now. The first thing you're going to notice is that there are a few assignments in here that you did not add to your gradebook. These were added automatically by FCPS. These are called work-based learning assignments. For our classes, we really don't have to do anything with them unless you're going to have your students do some sort of activity that is considered work-based. And if you need a definition for that, please talk to me or your school-based SBIT. However, for our classes, you likely won't be using these at all. However, we do have to assign them to a grading period or else we'll get an error message when we try to save this. I'll get back to this in 1 second. First thing we want to check is to make sure all your other assignments are included in first, second, third, and fourth quarter. This is a rolling gradebook, which means all the assignments that we do in first quarter are included in all of these other quarters. So when the students get to second quarter, they don't start fresh. They keep the grade that they had at the end of first quarter. And then when you add new assignments to second quarter, we don't include them in first quarter anymore. We just do second, third, and fourth. However, since we're in first quarter, all of your assignments should look like mine and be in first, second, third, and fourth. You do not have to worry about these other grading periods, the semester, the quarter exam, the fourth quarter final exam, or the final mark, just first, second, third, and fourth. Now, back to these work-based learning. We can do one of two things. We can either click on the individual boxes like I just did right here, or if we know that if you're looking at your gradebook and you only have all of your assignments in first quarter, you can click up here. You can click on all, and then you can click on all, and then you can just uncheck the quarters that they're not supposed to be in. But the all would help you if you only had your grades in first quarter, the grades that you added in first quarter, you can click all, and then uncheck third and fourth quarter, click all, and then uncheck fourth quarter. Down here, first quarter work, we want that to be in first quarter and in fourth quarter as well. And this will just make it a little bit easier to use these all buttons if you did not include your first quarter assignments in second, third, and fourth quarter. When you're done, click Save Grading Periods. Now, something you might notice, and it's not showing it for me, but you might notice that your second, third, and fourth quarter assignments have disappeared. They didn't disappear, they're just not in first quarter anymore. Before I made this video, I already made these changes, so I had to kind of cheat a little bit and go to fourth quarter. So I went back into first quarter. And now mine will look like yours in that you don't see those second, third, and fourth quarter work-based assignments. And that's okay. It's just there in second, third, and fourth quarter. So I click here and now we can see the second quarter work-based learning assignment. So again, when you're done, click Save Grading Periods, and that is all you have to do. I will do another video for second quarter to make sure we have all of those set up correctly as well. Let me know if you have any questions.